Here's a 2015 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. And it comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth hands-free link, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, inline 4-cylinder engine, manual telescoping steering column, multifunction steering wheel, external memory control, 4-wheel drive, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be: another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Worcester Road.